Bark inflatable boats. Need a boat for fishing or hunting, for recreational boating activities or tourism, for diving, for the lifeguard team. You're moored to the right place. Bark inflatable boats will fully satisfy all your needs, and here is why. Made in Ukraine, these inflatable boats serve to people in different countries of the world. 17% of those who opted the Bark evaluate them as the best in terms of price-quality relationship. 78% of customers say that these boats have exceeded their expectations. Making reliable and comfortable in every sense of the word, boats has become our goal when we decided to turn a passion into main business. Now it is our basic principle: study of user requests, compliance with international standards, adoption of the best technical innovations, communication with fishermen, hunters, amateur athletes, rescue officers and other professional users. We understand what kind of boats are needed. Aware of the customer's needs, we have succeeded in creating optimal Bark boats. They have high stability, buoyancy, running, maneuverability, as well as incredible reliability and ease in operation. Production. Let us discuss the manufacturing process of our inflatable boats in more detail. There are a lot of processes that can be fully automated, but experience shows that the skilled manual labor ensures a higher level of quality of the Bark boats than any high-tech equipment. For example, even material for the boats is cut manually, as the existing tools, from simplest cutting plotters to laser cutting machines, are too prone to failures and do not guarantee the accuracy of setting to a particular type of material. Design of a seam. The pieces of boat fabric are butted over the seam tape. A decorative strip is added to conceal the seam, which also has an enforcing and protection function. World experience has proved that such design of the seam is most reliable. To seal seams and fix accessories, we use hot gluing, where the adhesive is cured at high temperatures. As of today, it is the best option that ensures proper quality. As for the seams of tubes, only gluing and welding are basically used. The fundamental difference between gluing and welding consists in the following. When welded, materials are joined together at the molecular level directly, while when glued, with the help of an intermediate member, which is an adhesive layer. On boats with hinged transom, we use time-tested and proven to be reliable method of lace-up mounting. A fixing point is located in such a way that it provides an optimum position of the motor that does not affect the riding characteristics of the boat. For the same purpose, motor boats with a fixed transom have a certain angle specifically designed for a particular model. Protective moldings of the bottom. A central protective profile on motor keel boats is not uncommon, but moldings in the point of fixing of the boat bottom to its sides are an exceptional case. They are installed on all boats with stationary transom, both keel and flat-bottomed. As a consequence, the boat bottom is properly protected from excess friction during beaching or transport on a trailer. Moreover, these additional relief moldings also increase turn maneuverability of the inflatable boat. An extremely easy assembly of hard floor of bark motor keel boats is ensured by using locking profile with a beveled edge instead of a usual profile used on decks of other inflatables. Bark inflatable boats. Multi-level quality control. The production is certified by the Ukrainian Register of Shipping and is under its supervision. All projects are approved by relevant authorities. The manufacturing process is regularly checked and the obligatory quality control checks of the finished products are done. At the same time, strict internal control of each stage of production is organized at the factory. For example, the quality of tubes of the inflatable boats is checked at least 4 times. First, integrity of the tubes is checked by their inflation after the boat is assembled. Then the tubes are deflated and after a day of storing, they are re-inflated to the pressure 3 times exceeding the rated working pressure and are kept inflated for 24 hours. Finally, after the boat is completely equipped with all accessories, mandatory control of integrity is done during the final quality control of the boat before the inspection of the batch by inspectors of the register. Technologies and materials used in the production are the result of work of carefully selected team of skilled professionals. By choosing a bark boat, you get a guarantee of high reliability and convenience. We can proudly say that we have raised the production of PVC boats on a high level. In addition to classical models, we would like to introduce our novelty of 2016 Rib. We launch a trial of brand new RB370, RB500 and RB550 models. Rib is a watercraft constructed with inflatable flexible tubes and a solid, shaped hull usually made of fiberglass reinforced plastic. RIB stands for Rigid Inflatable Boats. RIBs are becoming increasingly popular due to the combination of such features as ability to develop high speeds, ease of use and maneuverability. Main advantages of ribs. Due to their rigid fiberglass hull, ribs are very stable on the water, maneuverable, steady on course and are easy to operate at the same time. Maximum speed achieved by rib with outboard motor several times as high as that of classical motor inflatable boat with a soft bottom. They are much faster and easier to get to plane. Due their light running and rapid acceleration, fuel consumption is greatly reduced. Ribs offer excellent seaworthiness. Flexible inflatable tubes absorb impact of waves very well. That's why ribs are characterized by better yaw stability and higher speed in rough seas than most of the hull boats. Load capacity of the rib is higher than that of a similarly sized boat, as an inflatable tube of a large diameter allows the rib to withstand much greater loads. Ribs offer enhanced comfort as compared to conventional inflatable boats, as they have large interior space. Rigid bottom allows you to get up without any hindrance and move freely around the cockpit. At a customer's option, the rib may be equipped with extra equipment, thus bringing the rib as close as possible to a small-sized powerboat in terms of comfort. Such equipment may include seats for passengers and helmsman, lockers, consoles with the remote control and windshield, roof, etc. Bark, some background. The 1990s. Fans of recreational boating activities and romantics with university degrees in engineering engage in repair and tuning of inflatable boats of various brands for themselves and for their friends. Eventually, they come up to the manufacture of in-house designed inflatable boats. In 1998, their hobby grew into a business, and a small-scale production of 4 models of inflatable boats was started in a shop with an area of 40 square meters by 3 staff members. 2001 registration of the Bark trademark. 15 craftsmen make 10 models of boats on a facility with an area of 1,000 square meters. The first exhibitions in Poland, Germany, the Netherlands and France. Certification for the EU market and the beginning of exporting to the European Union. 2013. Full updating of the model line, manufacturing of 41 models of boats. 2016. Launch of rigid hull inflatable boats made from fiberglass reinforced plastic. Bark inflatable boats. To be continued.